Hello, this is Mike Reed with a class for you on semi-hermetic compressors. This class is going to be given to you by Bill Atkerson with Copeland. This is a hands-on class. This is hosted by URI in Harahan, Louisiana. Please contact that branch. Let them know that you will be coming so that they don't cancel the class. This is going to be held on Wednesday, November 8th, 2023 from 5:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. The cost of the class, let's see here. Actually, I was looking all around. I didn't find any cost of this class. So this is more than likely, this is just all on Copeland. So this is to get people comfortable with tearing down these compressors, rebuilding them, the whole nine. Let me give you a couple of pictures. All right, that blue item down at the bottom. Now, this is not a Copeland compressor. This is a Fresco compressor, but it's the same. It's the same thing. It is a semi-hermetic compressor that you have a sight glass to see the oil level in the compressor. And this was on a, let me add this to the stream. This was on an ice cream machine. So even if you, whatever the situation may be, even if you replace it, you can replace it with a Copeland. But learning on the Copeland is going to teach you how to fix these other ones. The Copeland semi-hermetic compressor, that's the one that's going to be part of a rack system with the grocery chains. That's semi-hermetic. You're going to find it in these batch freezers for ice cream. You will find them in some soft serve ice cream machines. And let me show you this one. Yeah, there it is down at the bottom. And you're going to find this, you will find this in some remotes. Some remotes, some ice cream machines. You can also have these added to deli cases, a lot of different options. You won't need to you won't need to replace these compressors. They are fully rebuildable. That is what the class is about. I'm going to take one when they come up in my area. I've been waiting for that for quite a while. But I've been going on long enough. This is for those of you in this part of Louisiana with URI branch 7. And I think they spelled the branch wrong in the email. And anyway, you can always call them, the 504 number, 504-733-4100. If this is the closest one to you, they're doing other ones all around the country. So you don't need to travel for this one. But if you are going and you are in this part of Louisiana, please call them. Please let them know you will attend so they do not cancel the class. And thank you all for subscribing to the channel. Thank you all for your donations. It is greatly appreciated. Enjoy the class.